What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. Today I got a jam-packed video for you guys today, so please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get this video to 1,000 likes. I got 5 penny stocks that I'm going to be watching for tomorrow, as well as a ton of option plays that I'm also going to be watching. So this video is going to be a little bit long, but we're going to be straightforward. We're going to head straight into it. So let's go ahead and head into the market. And guys, before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys hit that like button, comment down below if you made some money with me today, because we got so much plays coming up. Okay, guys, first penny stock on the list is going to be ticker symbol BHAT. So guys, this one right here, okay, you can see right now on the week it is down 15% in the past week. Take a look at today. Okay, I want you guys to look at the charts on these penny stocks because they get really volatile, as you guys know. So this one is sitting at 0.0535. This is down 15% today, 11% down today, and 3% in the after hours. I'm going to be looking to enter ticker symbol BHAT, blue hat, when it goes to 0.0510 through 0.0515. I have to be very specific with my entries because if you notice at the chart, there is a huge wick that goes down to these price levels. So I'm going to be looking to enter at a dip. Does that make sense? If you go ahead and look at the charts, the 0.0510 and the 5 at the end, that's where I like to enter at, because you could see that when it gets down to that level, it usually has a bounce. And I love playing these oversold penny stocks, and we got a ton of these, so I'm gonna keep on going. All right, guys, second is ticker symbol ACON. This one hit 5 cents in the after hours, guys. For this one, I'm gonna be looking to enter if there's any pullback in these penny stocks, because they do tend to be very volatile. I'm gonna be looking at an entry at this 0.038 to 9 range. Okay, does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense down below in the comments. I want to see this one back in the threes to enter on this one. This one is gonna have its run right now. Maybe it'll pull back. If it pulls back, I'm gonna be looking to enter this one on a swing, guys. Take a look at this. This was at 3 cents for a brief moment, and now it shot up above 4 to the 5 cent range. So guys, congratulations if you made money on ticker symbol ACON. Congratulations if you're gonna be making money this week and next week. We got so much plays. So guys, that was ticker symbol ACON. Guys, take a look at ticker symbol HEPA. We were talking about this stock on the channel yesterday. Absolute rocket ship, guys. Take a look at this. It was 19 cents. I was about to say 19%, 40% in the pre-market right here, and then you could see it dip down to 16 cents, but that's when the shorts got super greedy. So what happened, right? There was a short squeeze on ticker symbol HEPA, because if you look at this, okay, they did drop an offering and then it went down to 12 cents, but these shorts started piling in. Okay, once you see a ton of shorts piling in and they see this dip right here, they thought they shorted the top, but a ton of shorts piled up here. Okay, they got greedy. So what happened, right? There was a short squeeze on ticker symbol HEPA, leading it to be above 130% today. So guys, let me know if you made some money on ticker symbol HEPA. If you didn't, we got so much play, so keep watching, guys. Now guys, this is ticker symbol ICON, Icon Energy. What I love to do with these oversold plays is rinse and repeat them, right? If you don't get a good entry, you can usually scalp some percentages up, right? And then add in on the dips as you go along. For example, you could have scalped this one at 47 cents on the VWAP, on the volume weighted average price, rode this one all the way to 54 cents and sold for a quick scalp. Guys, remember, this is a marathon. Okay, it's not a sprint. Trading and investing is a marathon. So if you see green, take green. Don't get too greedy in the markets, because anything could happen at any point. It's great to secure green. And guys, take a look at this. This one dropped all the way to 40 cents in the pre-market, right? And then we recovered nicely. This one's sitting up at 57 cents of 7% after hours. If this one goes back to, let's say, the 40-cent range, I'm going to be looking into taking a position into ticker symbol ICON again, and then I'm going to go ahead and play the bounce again. Rinse and repeat, guys. Say it with me, rinse and repeat. I love doing this with these oversold plays. All right, guys, next up, I'm going to be taking a look at ticker symbol ALCE for an oversold bounce play. If you take a look at the 1 week chart, this one is down 25% in the past week. On the month, it's down 53.72%. You could see right here that it is down 9% today and up 5% in the after hours. You might be like, coach, why are you looking at this stock right here? Okay, I just love playing these oversold bounces like Icon, like Acon, like HEPA, right? There's so much stocks in the stock market that you could play. So I'm going to be looking at this, guys, at a stop loss. I'm going to be looking at this around the 36 to 39 cent area. I want to see this go back up to 40 cents and then 50 cents if it's possible. And I'm going to be having my stop loss at 37 cents. So if it dips below 37 cents, that's what I'm risking, guys. When I like to go ahead and trade, I make sure I have a plan where I'm going to exit at. Okay, I'm looking at all the risks that is available and I'm having a stop loss set where I want it. Okay, this case, it's going to be 37 cents. I'm risking 2 cents in the fact that I can limit my risk. Okay, so if it goes to 36 cents, coaches are already going to be out. Okay, I made sure my risk was in check before I went in. I trade with the plan, guys. I don't gamble. I look at the charts, and this one's looking like an oversold bounce. So I'm going to see what it does tomorrow, guys. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol RIME. This is Rhyme Algorithm Holdings. And guys, I have a few notes on these stocks because like I said, I got so much stocks that I want to talk about today. So this one has been coiling in such a tight range on the low 3 cents. If you see right here, this is the definition on coiling. Same thing with ticker symbol BHAT. And I will look for an entry again on this stock at the low 3 cent range. I was talking about in the last video, 0.032. Okay, this has gone near that range and I want to see it go down again before another move up. So there is a little bit of a wedge that I see on the charts right here, and I'm looking for this one to take off soon yet again. With the other penny stocks like Acon, where it went from 3 cents to 5 cents, this one I'm going to be looking for it to go from 3 cents to 4 cents, because you could see that there is an insane amount of volume, guys. 150 million volume, and it's not even moving. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm looking at the charts, I'm thinking major people are loading it up and a ton of people are short on the stock as well. But if we can get a nice squeeze, that'll be a nice 3 cents to 4 cent movement in this stock. And yeah, like I said, guys, I wrote on my notes, this one has been getting shorted like crazy. Take a look at this, down 16.71% in the past week. So you guys know I love playing my bounces, so I'm going to be looking for this one to go in the low 3 cent range, lower than a little bit lower than this, looking to pick it back up, play for the 4 cent bounce and above if possible. Next up, we got ticker symbol SOBR. This is SOBR safe. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this one is down about 7% today. And guys, this is one of the most shorted penny stocks on the market right now. So I'm looking, this is down 1% in the past week. If it goes down to this 89 cent support range, and then we got 80 cents and 79 cent support range, if it goes down to these levels, I am going to be looking to add in on the dips. You guys can see this one was at one point near 80 cents again. So if we can get a dip to this level, I'm going to be looking for a bounce on this one as well. And supposedly there's supposed to be news by the CEO in the next few weeks. That's a rumor allegedly, but I'm looking to play the chart, not with my heart. So guys, I'm looking at the 80 cent range for ticker symbol SOBR. If it sells off, let's say 9% tomorrow, excuse me, I'm gonna be looking for an entry on this one as well. Listen, guys, once again, I trade support, I trade resistance, I look at the charts, I manage my stop loss, and I know where I'm gonna get in at and out in. I'm always gonna have a plan. If there's any news, I'm gonna be updated on within the stock, and it might change, guys. This is the penny stock market, so it's gonna be a lot volatile, more than the tech stocks. Okay, they move like crazy, they get more news every day, a lot of movement happens in these stocks. But as long as you cut your losses fast, as long as you let your runners run, you are going to be more successful in the long run. Remember, cut your losses fast, let your runners run. This is how you build your account. Okay, always be looking at the charts, look at support, look at resistance, add on support, guys. Don't gamble in this market. Make precise moves, keep your losses short, let your runners run. Once again, that's been a great strategy that's been working out in this market. Okay, things can get crazy, there may be news that drops randomly, so you just got to be prepared. If you can't handle the heat, lower your size on these stocks. Okay, we're approaching, or we are at all-time highs for the S&P 500. I suggest maybe going in one share, right? Test the waters out. If you're not familiar with penny stocks, test the waters out with one share. Maybe look at the charts, take a few days off, look at this video back again. Okay, see what I'm saying, because when you learn, okay, that's gonna lower your losses. Okay, you must learn in order to earn. Okay, that's why earn is in learn. You gotta learn first, guys. So I teach risk management, I teach technical analysis. So if you don't have these two, okay, those are essential. So go ahead and apply the teachings in this video, and let's go ahead and move on to the stocks, guys. Once again, this is my plan. Use me as a scanner, okay? Don't just trade off of my plan. This is what I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, right? You don't gotta trade on this. Look at this for yourself, right? Use me as a tool. Use me as a scanner, guys. I'm trying to teach you guys how to fish. Make your own decisions by yourself. Sometimes even when I'm in these penny stocks, I use a day trade to cut the losses out, right? I use a day trade to cut the losses out, okay? Sometimes I might be building into a swing position, but if it goes against my way, I gotta stick to my set of rules on the 1 to 100K challenge. Does that make sense? I use a day trade to limit my loss. If a stock is not going my direction, okay, if it falls below support, I cut the loss. I'm out the trade. Does that make sense? You gotta get your losses straight. You gotta manage your risk, okay? That's the #1 rule in this whole 1 to 100K challenge. You gotta manage your risk. Cut your losses quick, okay? Does that make sense? I wanna put this into your guys' head. You get 3 day trades a week, okay? If I use a day trade, it's gonna come back next week. We could always roll back next week, but you must make sure to use risk management, okay? Limit your losses, guys. That's gonna help you guys out in the long run. All right, guys, welcome to the second half of this video. This is gonna get fire, okay? We're gonna bring the heat with these hot stocks, so make sure you guys lock in and make sure, okay, we're at all-time highs, so do whatever with that information you will, but we're gonna be a little bit careful. Next, we got whole earnings weeks coming up, so if you have to, okay, size down. This ain't financial advice, but if you have to, go ahead. Just make sure we're dangling above all-time highs, so just take that what you will, okay? So guys, we're gonna be looking for call options on Fridays. For your homework on this video, you're gonna look for puts, okay? You should know if an area is gonna be eligible for puts, okay, based on previous supports. I want you guys to do that. We're gonna be looking for calls in this video, or else this video would be legitimately 30 minutes long. So we're not looking at puts for tomorrow, we're looking at calls. But if you do see a reverse, okay, make sure you capitalize on it, okay? You can make money on the way up, you can make money on the way down, but this video, just in case this video goes to 30 minutes, I don't want that happening. So we're just going to be looking to upside, guys. First of all, we got ticker symbol META. I'm going to be looking at this call option, okay? Let's take a look at this. Above, I got some notes written too. So above $639, I'm gonna be looking at the 645 calls. And guys, this is for tomorrow. So this is January 24th expiration. This is a get in, get out play. Go ahead and scalp, make your earnings, and then just go off, right? Go off. You get another day trade in the next week. So this is all about making precise moves. Get in, get out. Okay, this ain't no holding all today. Just make your money, get out, right? So this was Meta, guys. You could take a look at this. Meta has been up. It broke above the 600 level all week. It's been bullish. Take a look at the 1 month. This is up 5% the past month. It keeps making highs after highs. So we're looking at this one to ramp up even higher above this 639 point. And then if it does, we're going to be looking at this one to push up to the 645 level. But let's say, guys, I want to teach you to fish, for example. If it breaks below 632, we're going to look at the downside. But you should be looking at that already, despite what I'm saying, okay? You should be looking at that already if you're looking at the chart. So guys, this was for Meta. Let's go ahead and go to the other stocks. We got some more stocks for you guys. All right, guys, ticker symbol TSLA. This has been one of the best stocks in the stock market. We're up $1.64, 0.40% overnight. This sits at currently $414. My plan tomorrow, if Tesla goes ahead, breaks above 420, okay? If it goes above 420, I'm going to be looking at the 422.5 calls. This is 422.5. This is sitting right now at 186. This is obviously going to change tomorrow, but I'm going to be looking at this call option if we decide to push tomorrow, because on Friday, Tesla loves to go ahead and rally. We've seen in the past 3 Fridays, maybe there's one that hasn't, but I've generally seen a pattern where Tesla rallies. So if we do get a break of that level that I'm looking at, I'm going to be concerned looking at call options, guys. Once again, okay, this is my plan. You can go ahead and use me as a tool. Take this video as a scanner, but this is what I'm looking at, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol NFLX, guys. This is a rocket ship right here. You could see on the 1 week chart, it is up 14% in the past week. You might be wondering, why are we playing Netflix if it's already up $125. Well, we can go ahead and attempt to capitalize off this move. Okay, we're looking to push to 1,000 level. If this one breaks 990, I'm going to be looking at the $110 or $1,000 calls, excuse me. We're entering the 4 digits on Netflix. So I'm going to be looking at this call option that sits at $3 if this does break 990 to see if we can push up above 1,000. That would be a nice move for Netflix. All right, guys, next up, I got ticker symbol COST. This is Costco stock. It sits at $942.56. This is up 58 cents overnight. My plan for this one, if this goes above 946, I'm going to be taking a look at the 950 call options. Guys, remember, for this video, I am going to be looking at the 0 data expiration option. This is extremely risky. Once again, leave this to the pros. If you're more new, if you're not as experienced in the market, play with time, guys. Play with time. Time's going to be your best friend, but this is to get in and out. This is to make quick gains, guys. This is going to be a scalp. Okay, so make sure you understand that, so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so take a look at this 950 call. If this goes above 946, I'm going to be eyeing this contract that sits at currently 140. Okay, if that breaks 946, because it's sitting in a nice consolidation bull flag right now. As you can see on the 1 week, it is up 158 in the past week. We've seen this setup for Roblox. We've seen this setup for Rivian. So this one's for Costco, guys. I've seen Costco run up at Fridays a lot of the time. All right, guys, for ticker symbol AVGO, this is a continuation off the earnings plays. As you can see on the week, AVGO is up 2.74% the past week. On the month, it is up 1.57% in the past month. So we are looking to capitalize off the earnings movement. Once again, I know earnings was a few weeks ago, but we could still look to capitalize off this momentum. It didn't just hit earnings and went up 25% market cap. It didn't just drop down. Okay, the momentum is still strong on this one. Once again, I'm going to be looking for $245 call options above the $242 price. So take a look at this. I'm going to be looking at this call option right here for a scalp. Once again, this is Friday, so this is where it's going to be moving very fast with the call options, guys, because there's less time on these contracts. We should I'm looking at for a breakout on this one. Okay, if it goes above 242, I'm going to be looking on its way up to 245 with this one. Next up, we got ticker symbol CVNA. This is coming off a short report 2 weeks ago, right? 2 weeks ago, there was a huge short report from Carvana. It dipped all the way to 188 and then it went its way back up. So guys, on Carvana, I'm going to be looking for $247.5 call options if it goes above 245. And once again, I'm scanning a ton of stocks at the same time. So if you are not looking at all these stocks at once, maybe just pick a few out of them, right? If you're looking at them, just pick a few. I'm just looking at a lot of stocks at all times. That's just how I do it over here. All right, guys, next up, we got ticker symbol GOOGL. This one, I'm going to be looking for a break near the 200 range. If this goes above 199.20, okay, I am going to be looking at the $200 call options for ticker symbol GOOGL. This one right here, guys, the $200 call option sitting at $45 a contract. I'm going to be looking at those if we go a little bit above 199, and if it dips down below 197, obviously I'm going to be looking for the downside on Google. But just know there's been a ton of activity on Google late. Let me know, guys, if you made some money on ticker symbol PLTR. This has been a winning stock for quite some time, guys. Take a look at this. On 1 week, it is up 14% in the past week. Those who bought the dip down here at $64, you are very much rewarded, guys. Look at this. It's looking like it's going to go to $80, but obviously if it breaks below $77, I'm going to be looking for the downside of this. But what an amazing move, guys. Take a look at this. This is what happens when you have conviction and buy the dip. You are rewarded. All right, guys, next up, we got ticker symbol AMZN above $235. I'm going to be looking at the $240 call options right here. These ones sitting at $15, guys. They may drop a little bit more tomorrow, but we've been making all-time highs once again. So this is as risky as it gets. Okay, this is as risky as it gets. Since it's already at $235, if it breaks the pre-market high, I'm going to be looking for a pre-market high break to go ahead and enter in. But once again, this is get in, get out, very quick scalps on these contracts because they have less time than most contracts do. And remember, we have earnings season coming up next week, so we're gonna make a ton of plays on that. Let me know, guys, if you're excited for earnings season next week. Lastly, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA, guys, is sitting at 0.83. If this one breaks above 147, because you could see we dipped below 144 in the pre-market and we recovered almost to green. We hit red to green and then we just dropped. But if this one breaks above 147, a little bit change, all right, a little bit above 147, I'm gonna be looking at the 148 calls, guys, for continuation, because this ticker right here has been on a bullish run. Like this call right here, 148, sitting at $74 a contract. Like, guys, take a look at this. Nvidia up 5% in the past week. Okay, all the dip buyers in this one got rewarded, guys. If Nvidia comes down to 129, I'm going to be looking at it for a buy zone, guys. This is how you make the money. This is how you make money moves in this market. Buy the dip, get rewarded, get in, get out, take your profit. Never overstay your welcome. Don't get greedy, okay? Make sure you don't let the green trade turn into a red one. Family, let's go ahead and make this a great Friday. We got one more day in the market. So make sure, once again, you manage your risk. Look at the charts, find your supports and resistances, calculate your risk management, know beforehand when you're gonna get out and trade it. Make sure you guys play smart. If you're in the 1 to 100K challenge with me, you get 3-day trades. So make sure if you need to use your day trade, go ahead and use it. You're gonna get your 3-day trades back within a week. If you use all 3 this week, you're gonna get back this week. If you use 1, you're gonna get your 1-day trade in the next week. So make sure you make calculated decisions. We got one more day. If you guys didn't make money today, we got tomorrow, we got next week, we got the week after that, we got the whole year to make money, guys, and more. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on my post notifications so you're notified every time I post. And please hit that subscribe button because these videos take me a long time. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, please make sure to click right here. We do videos just like this every day. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Good luck tomorrow. Coach believes in each and every one of you. I'll see you guys later. Coach out.